Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade lobster rolls. We will start by gathering our fresh ingredients, including succulent lobster meat and soft, buttery rolls. Next, I'll guide you through the best methods for cooking your lobster to perfection. Then, we'll create a simple yet incredibly flavorful dressing to bind our lobster salad. Finally, we'll toast the rolls and assemble these delightful sandwiches. To begin, select fresh, live lobsters, ideally weighing around 1½ pounds each. You can steam them for 8 to 10 minutes or boil them for 7 to 9 minutes until they turn a vibrant red. Once cooked, allow them to cool slightly. Then, carefully extract all the delicious meat from the tails, claws, and knuckles, ensuring no shell fragments remain. Now, let's create the heart of our lobster rolls, the salad. Dice your cooked lobster meat into appealing, bite-sized chunks. In a bowl, gently fold in about 2 tablespoons of good quality mayonnaise, ensuring a creamy coating. For a delightful textural contrast, add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped celery. Finish with a pinch of salt, a dash of black pepper, and a refreshing squeeze of fresh lemon juice. For the grand finale, prepare your rolls. Generously butter the flat sides of split-top hot dog buns. Toast them in a skillet over medium heat for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they are beautifully golden and warm. Spoon approximately 1/2 cup of your luscious lobster salad into each toasted bun. Serve these incredible homemade lobster rolls immediately, perhaps with some crispy potato chips.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.